that I paid you.
Hey, fool, you gotta manhandle her.
Yeah.
Manhandle it. Manhandle.
Slap her.
You must move.
Pull her hair.
Move.
Been going like fuck.
Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm liking this.
Now give him head. Now give him head.
Hey.
Come on.
Give him.
Give him head.
Give it. No, I'm not gonna do it. You guys, I don't want.
Look, you're in a fucking contract, so you better fucking do that
I
shit.
don't know who the fuck signed my contract. The fuck was her name?
You fucking signed a contract, so you suck his dick now.
What the fuck?
I'ma sue your ass.
What? Not
Whatever
giving
the fuck,
head.
Yeah.
That was in the contract along with anal. I didn't say no. I said it
Karina.
wasn't loose. I didn't say I was gonna prove it.
Suck his dick.
I'm not gonna suck his dick.
Karina, suck his dick. Why are you being a bitch?
Why are you acting tight with your mouth? You're in a butthole.
Do you guys move to this? Oh, I don't like all this stick cam shit. What's wrong with you guys? You've been on this the whole time? This is the third time you guys do this shit to me at this house.
Karina.
Hey, fool. You're not doing your job as well.
Oh man.
You're supposed to be forcing that bitch.
See?
That's fucking been doing.
See, if you ever want to get a job in another company, you better.
We're fucking half.
Oh, come on.
Fool,
Okay.
you gotta get under more.
No, he
Oh,
won't.
that hurt my cock. Stupid belt.
Alright, I'm sending this to everyone in Wisconsin!